The most common calculation on the E6B is time, speed, and distance. Once you understand this, everything else becomes easier. Here is an example scenario. We're going to fly at 120 knots and want to travel 45 nautical miles. First, rotate the inner wheel so 12 on the outer scale lines up with the 60 rate mark. Remember, the numbers on the E6B are scaled, so the 12 can also represent 120 or 1,200 depending on the problem. Now find 45 on the outer scale. Look directly across to the inner scale, you'll see approximately 22.5 minutes. What we've done is set a relationship between speed and time. The E6B applies that same relationship to distance. This same setup works whether you're solving for time, speed, or distance. Only what you're reading changes. Practice this setup a few times and it quickly becomes second nature.